Hello YouTube. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add a background image to your modeling in Blender. So to get started, go to that add button. You want to click that and you see a host of menus. From there, you want to click on the image and look at the reference image or the background image. After selecting the background image, you want to go ahead and delete the cube that you see in front of you, and then press the number key 1 to enter orthographic mode. Go ahead and delete that now. So now you can start adding your image. So Shift A or add and then background image to add the image, and then select whichever image you want to work with. And so there, your image gets added. Now you'll need to kind of shift it around just so it lines up to the origin of the 3D viewport. So from there, you'll see that little transform property. So you just go ahead and tweak those a bit. So you get that just right. Move it up or down. And you want to keep a reference point. So right now I have it kind of right around the wrist and at the center of the pelvic. Okay, so we're done with the front view. So let's go ahead and do the side view by Shift A, add image. And then we'll repeat the same steps again by just shifting the model reference image to where we want it in the center of the viewport. All right. So that looks about right. So now let's go ahead and do the final view of the back of the model. To do this, we'll do Control number key 1 to enter the back view. Shift A, add the background, select the image. Here you're just repeating the exact same steps as before. You want to go ahead and center it to the center of the 3D viewport. All right, bring it down a bit. Thank you for watching this video. Was this helpful? Please give a comment below of your thoughts and suggestions. Don't forget to rate and subscribe for more videos. Until next time, thank you.